Hello everyone, and welcome to the second video of the Revit lab. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to insert grid lines. What are grid lines? Basically, it's a network of intersecting parallel lines which are very crucial during the setting out process on site. They are guidelines in which will help us to know exactly where we would like to insert our foundations and columns. To begin with that, you will go to the ribbon up there and click on Architecture. And from Architecture, you go to Grids. Once you click on Grid, the Grid tab is active. Let's say you want to begin by having one grid here. You click and you make sure that it is still in a degree of 90 angles, a 90 angle degree. And you click it one more time to snap it off. What if we would like to have another grid line here at a distance of, let's say, 5,000. This is 5,000 millimeters, which is 500 centimeters. Click on that, and you will make sure that it is a 90-degree angle, and until you get this line where it shows that your second grid line is actually aligned with the first one. You click one more time, and you have your next grid line ready. What if I zoom in here and have a look at what is going on? You see Revit is giving you numbering. So it has numbered the first grid line as 1. It has numbered the next grid line as 2. And if we decide to have a third grid line here, let's say at maybe 6,000 millimeters. You click and you make sure that it is at a 90-degree angle until it is inlined and parallel with the others. Click snap off, and here you have number 3. Okay, what if I am not able to get, let's say we're looking for 5,050, for example, or 5,500. See, it is very difficult using the mouse only to get this number. All you have to do is go up here, and once this blue measurement pops up, you go ahead and type the distance you would like. Let's say 5,500. Click OK, and there you have it. Again, make sure it is at a 90-degree angle and all the way down until it is in line with the other one. And click OK. Let's say we would like to have a third one here. One more time, and this time we would like it to be at a distance of 500. We go and type 500, click OK, and we go down until it is in line with the other grid lines. And there you have it. If you want to have one more, go ahead and let's have it as 6,000. Click OK. Go down and snap it off. Okay, now we would like to have grid lines on the other side, so intersecting with the grid lines that we have done first. So you can go here and begin with your first grid line. Click, and again, make sure that it is 90 degrees, or in our case here, it is 180, and snap it off. So you will notice that it has stated this one as 7, but in fact, here we should start with a new numbering system. If you go to the bubble here, click from time, and it gives you the chance to edit the number. Go ahead and delete it and type A and enter. Now let's have our second grid line. Let's say it is at a distance of 5,000. Click, go here, make sure that it is in line with the previous one, and snap it off. See, now it has automatically detected that we are dealing with letters. So it will start numbering itself, A, B, and one more here, C. What if we wanted to have another one here at a distance of 7,500? Click OK. You will get one here, D. And if you would like to have another one, let's say at a distance of 8,000, click OK, and you get E. There you have it, your grid lines ready and prepared.